YouTube Wagwan, man, you're tuning into Click React, and I don't know if you guys have seen it. I'm sure you've heard by now. If you didn't see it, Messi has won the World Cup. We're just gonna be reacting to the match highlights, guys. This was, I think, that I have to say, this is the best game I've ever watched. Like back and forth, both stars. Thank God Mbappe actually showed up. It was late, but it was great. Showed up with that hat trick to make this game a real heater, guys. Like I can't believe what I just witnessed. I've never had a moment of watching a game where this minute my heart was up, the next minute my heart was down. Like this game gave you everything. It gave you everything that football means, man. And I'm so happy that Messi finally won that one title that he's been chasing for so long, man. So we're just gonna get right into it, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, drop a like, man. We gotta like this video for Messi, you know what I'm saying? And let me know what your favorite moment of the match was. For me, it it's when he took off Di Maria, and I say that because of the switch that the game came with and how it threw the game into basically overtime when he put on two left backs. You know what I'm saying? But I appreciate you guys for watching as usual. We're just gonna get right into it.
World Cup. France again or Argentina at last? It's a
Like
thick touch. Alvarez.
that first shot, like Alvarez, I say it. I keep saying this, and everybody's like, "Oh, you know, Messi didn't play by himself." This man has scored in every game in the knockout stage. He scored in every game but one. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know.
Fernandez.
I don't know what the argument could ever be
Ball through for Di Maria.
for Ronaldo to be greater at this point. Granted, they are the greatest players both, but
Di Maria.
and Di Maria, man, Jesus Christ, that penalty, he, wow,
Di Maria went
he really took Dembele out.
Argentina.
People are saying like, oh, you know, that penalty is not a penalty. It is because you put his hand on him from behind him. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't beside for a fight. So that's why that penalty was ultimately given, man. And the myth here he is. He steps up. Cold as ice. Cold as ice, man.
A goal.
The Iceman himself.
Perhaps his moment.
His penalties,
Infinity.
no, only I think it's the one in the semis.
That draws him
Or yeah, I think it was that one where he stitched it top corner. But for the most part, Messi's penalties are mind games, man.
at the front of the race for the golden boot.
He's looking at you.
Messi
You know what I'm saying?
and
He's looking at you and he's slotting it.
Alvarez and Giroud.
Done. It's crazy, man.
That's a
Or this
fine
play.
before it began.
Oh yeah, here's a second goal. What a touch! What this is. I think I would give this goal
Di Maria
the best. Not Dima Nasty Ria, bro. Come on, man. Don't play with it. Like, what a touch by Messi. And in every scenario where Messi touches the ball, you have at least minimum. He's not getting double teamed. Minimum triple team is heading his way. Touch. Out to Alvarez. One touch to McAllister. One out to Di Maria. Amazing team goal. Yeah, that's training ground stuff, man. Ridiculous. Right over Lloris, man. And it is crazy because during the game, you know, we're two up now, and you know I'm talking to my boys. I'm like, yeah. First of all, Mbappe has to turn up for this game to become a match. You know what I mean? And I'm like, okay, it's 71st minute. I'm like, they need to score within the next. No, it's the 73rd minute. I'm like, they need to score within the next 10 minutes for this game to become a game. Okay? So we're watching. Okay, cool. You know, momentum, the ball is round. You know, anything can really happen, right? Like, that's just a fact.
chased by Kolo Muani. And Kolo Muani has got it.
Penalty.
He's got it.
That was a penalty.
For France.
Let's be fair. Argentina is so trash when it comes to like 1v1 players on stats compared to France. Like, there's no comparison. Otamendi does not play the highest level in Europe anymore. You know what I'm saying? And Mbappe steps up for his penalty. Okay, 79th minute. Boom! Bottom corner. And mind you, every penalty that he took, I think, no, two of the penalties out of the three that he took for the day, Martinez got his hand on it. So Martinez is a really good PK stopper. Because Mbappe's shot was whipped. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's the power that stopped it. And it's a big thing, right? Growing up playing football, you know, the next 5 is so important. 2 minutes after, Messi gets dispossessed by Coleman. Boom. Amazing play by Mbappe. Greatness. We cannot lie. We cannot lie. Yeah, Mbappe is something special, man. He didn't even say, let me take another touch. He's a striker. Boom. Touch. 1, 2. Done. Yeah, this game was so amazing, man. I'm so happy that I'm alive to witness stuff like this, man. Mbappe said, what more do you want, man? It's crazy because it's 2 teammates for PSG going back and forth. And Alvarez, a hot-headed striker. Here's another play. What a shot by Messi here. Whoop! If that went to a corner, game over. It just went straight to him. Yeah, if that went to a corner, that was donezo. Regulation done. Poor Messi was probably like, you know who had probably the worst ride of this game? Di Maria. Di Maria came off the field winning 2-0. He came off the field ready to be a World Cup champion. Oh my God, man! Messi just this play through. Why did Martinez take a touch? Every chance Martinez got, he tried to sabotage this shit. Why take a touch, man? You're a striker. No pace is really coming across with that ball. Just hit that. Upamecano was a fucking tackle. Oh, even the rebound right after.
It's time to focus on what you do best. So go to Wix.com.
And then Coleman gets dispossessed over here. This is a ball to Martinez too. Oh my God. Martinez was selling. He was trying his hardest. The striker Martinez. He was trying his hardest to sell. He reminded me of Higuain in that other final that they lost. First half of extra time. Messi's like, okay, we're good. We've been here. We know what it is. Oh man. Oh, he tried to hit this one near post on Lloris. Wow. The shit was crazy. Wow. That's how Messi does play. He works in bursts. What a touch by Martinez here. What a ball by Messi. Oh my God. What a goal. I just wish it actually hit the net, you know? No, the ref gave the goal. It's not offside. Damn, Griezmann. And when this third goal scored, I said, do not count Mbappe out. He's on a hat trick right now. And he's on fire. He's going to score. Man, I'm just remembering back to this, to watching the game and the feeling here. Oh my God, man. But here he is. Mbappe created his penalty. And it was a penalty. Harsh, but it's a penalty. People say, oh, you know, people are scoring penalties. Okay, penalties are part of the game, and you still have to convert. You got to be cold. He scored against Martinez 4 times today. You know what I mean? That is amazing. Second penalty said, I'm going to the same spot. Big players. Big games. Damn, man. And this last shot right before the end of the match. This guy should have just passed it in. What a save by Martinez. What a save.
That's pressure.
Boom.
That
Off the foot.
is a world-class save.
Man, and you can tell after this, everybody's thinking, damn, if I did this, if I did that. He is definitely thinking that now.
Greatest football matches that has ever been played, encompassing stellar moments, having twice
Penalties.
scored from the spot,
Mbappe walking up cold as ice, man.
having scored, Mbappe steps up first.
Same spot.
And Mbappe,
We're not playing no games with you. That's what he told Martinez.
top men are going
And this is what I like, that the two top ballers went first to set the tone. But Messi's penalty, man. Look at this.
Messi with
What more do you want?
immaculate poise.
What more do you want?
Coman
Yeah. It's unfortunate, and I hope that these players that missed for France don't get treated like the English black players that Dybala's penalty was good. Cold. They don't get treated like the English black players when they missed in the Euros. Martinez is so dumb, that stupid shoulder dance that he was doing. Big penalty from Paredes.
nearly there, so very nearly there.
Vamos.
With a high. He must.
Yeah. I'm actually happy that he scored that one penalty still.
Montiel
To seal it.
didn't start the game. He could finish.
That's the thing, you know, with football, man. You never know. You never know.
Argentina,
World Cup champions.
and a nation will tango all night long. 36 years since
Big Messi. Guys, as I said, man, I'm just so happy that Messi finally got his World Cup. Let me know what you guys think of the game, man. Let me know if you think there's even still a debate for the GOAT, man, because I think it's settled. Me personally, appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to drop that like, man. I'll see you guys later.